Welcome to the wonderful session of ratio and proportion of grade 10 ICSE. Let me solve next 10 questions on ratio and proportion, which are multiple choice question based. Question number 11. If a by 3 is equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 7, then what is the value of a plus b plus c divided by c? Here are the four options. Let us see which option is correct now. That is, a by 3 is equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 7. I am writing the given data, that is a by 3 is equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 7. If all of them are equal, then I'll write them is equal to k. Therefore, a by 3 is equal to k, therefore I can write a is equal to 3k, b by 4 is equal to k, that is b is equal to 4k, c by 7 is equal to k, that is c is equal to 7k. I'll put these values here. A is equal to 3k plus 4k plus 7k divided by 7k. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14k divided by 7k. K cancels here, 7 2s are 14. The value is 2. Therefore, the answer for this is option C, that is 2. Let me take the question number 12. If x, 5.4, 5, 9 are in proportion, then what is the value of x? We have to find the value of x here. I'll use the properties of proportion here to solve the value of x. By the properties of proportion, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. That is, the product of first term and last term is equal to the product of second term and third term. That is, x into 9 is equal to x into 5.4 into 5. The product of extremes is equal to the product of means. 5 into 54 divided by 10. I'll divide this by 9 also. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 ones are 2 3s are. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3. Option A is correct one. Let me take the 13th question. What is the fourth proportional to 5, 8, 15? The fourth proportional for this we need to find. These are the options given here. Let me check now. I'll write this in proportion form. 5, 8, 5 ratio 8 proportion 15. The fourth proportional is asking, I'll consider it as x. Again, you multiply the extremes and means and their product is always equal. 5 into x is equal to 8 into 15. I'll divide this 8 into 15 by 5 to get the value of x. That is 5 ones are 5 3s are 8 3s are 24. The value of fourth proportion is 24. Option D is the correct answer. Let us take the next question. What is the fourth proportional to 0.12, 0.21 and 8? How to find the fourth proportional? Again, the same way what we solved for the 13th question now. I'll write them 0.12 ratio 0.21 proportion 8 ratio x. That is fourth proportional. I'll consider it as an x. Again, multiply the extremes and means and their product is always equal to 0.12 into x is equal to 0.21 into x. That is 12 by 100 into x is equal to 21 by 100 into 8. 100 cancels here. I'll cancel 100 and I'll make x alone. 21 into 8 divided by 12. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. I'll cancel. 4 3s are 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Therefore, x value is equal to 7 2s are 14. The answer is 14. Let me take the 14th question now. Let me take the 15th question. The third proportional to 38 and 15. What is the third proportional to 38 and 15? These are the four options given here. Let us solve this. We know that to write whenever two numbers are given, how to write the third proportional? 38 ratio 15 proportion 15 ratio x. X is the third proportional. Again, 38 into x is equal to 15 into 15. 38 into x is equal to 15 into 15. Therefore, the x value is equal to 15 multiplied by 15 divided by 38. According to the given option, option C is the correct answer. The value of x is equal to 15 into 15 divided by 38. Let's solve the 16th question. What is the third proportional to x square minus y square and x minus y? Let us check this. How to solve this question now? The third proportional for this is asking, that is x square minus y square ratio x minus y proportion x minus y, that is third proportional. I'll call it as T, capital T, that is third proportional. The product of extremes is equal to the product of means. I'll use the properties of the proportion now. X square minus y square into t is equal to x minus y into x minus y. We know that t is equal to x minus y into x minus y. We know the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is x square minus y square is also equal to x plus y into x minus y. We know that x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. X minus y get cancels here. Therefore, the answer is x minus y divided by x plus y. The correct answer is option A. The third proportional is x minus y divided by x plus y. The 17th question. What is the mean proportion between 9 and 6? These are the four options. Let me check what is the correct answer. What is the mean proportion between 9 and 16? We know that when two numbers are given, the mean proportion is equal to the square root of product of two numbers. The product of two numbers, 9 into 16. Multiply 9 into 16, that is the square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, that is 3 4s are 12. What is the mean proportion between 0.02 and 0.32? We have to find the mean proportion again. We know that the mean proportion is equal to the product of two numbers. Square root of 0.02 into 0.32. 0.32. I'll write 0.02 as 2 divided by 100, 2 divided by 100, and 0.32 as 32 by 100, 2 by 100 into 32 by 100. 32 into 2 is root 64 divided by root 100 is 10 and root 100 is 10. Root 64 is 8, 8 divided by 100. That is 0.08 is the answer. 0.08 is the answer. The option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Let me take the last but one question, that is 19th one. What is the mean proportion between 3 plus root 2 and 12 minus root 32? We have to find the mean proportion between these two. What is the mean proportion between 3 minus root 2 and 12 minus root 32? We know that the mean proportion is equal to square root of the product of two numbers. 3 plus root 2 bracket 12 minus root 32. 12 minus root 32. I'll multiply now. I'll open the bracket. 3 into 12, that is 36. 12 3s are 36. 12 3s are 36. Minus 3 root 32. 3 root 32. Plus 12 root 2. Minus, plus into minus, minus root 2 into root 32. Minus root 2 multiplied by root 32. Root 36 minus 32, I'll split. 16 2s are 32 plus 12 root 2 minus 32 into 2, that is root 64. Root 36 minus 3. Root 16 is 4. 3 into 4, that is 3 into 4 root 2 plus 12 root 2. Root 64 is 8. Root 36 minus 3 4 are 12 root 2 plus 12 root 2 minus 8. Plus 12 root 2 minus 12 root 2 cancels. Root 36 minus 8. Root 36 minus 8, that is root 28. Root 28. 7 4s are 28. 7 28. 20 to 28 can be written as 7 4 the 28. Root 4 is 2, that is 2 root 7. Option B is the correct answer. Let us take the last question. The mean proportion between x and y is 6 and the third proportional to x and y is 48. Then what is x ratio y? We need to find the ratio between x and y. In the question he gave that the mean proportion between x and y is equal to 6. The mean proportion between x and y is equal to 6. He gave 6 is equal to square root of x into y. Therefore, I'll square on both sides. 6 square is equal to 36, that is xy. Xy is equal to 36. And the third proportional given as x ratio y proportion y ratio 48. Third proportional is 48. Multiply x into 48 is equal to y into y square. X is equal to y square divided by 48. I'll put the value of x is equal to y square by 48 in this. Y square divided by 48 into y. I'll cross multiply now. 36 into 48. 36 into 48 is equal to y square into y, that is y cube. 36 into 6 8 is 48. I can split 48. 36, that is 6 square into 6 into 2 cube. I'll write y cube. 6 cube y 6 cube into 2 cube is equal to y cube. Therefore y value is equal to, I'll remove the cube on both sides. Y is equal to 6 into 2, that is 12. I'll put the value of y in this. 12 into 12 divided by 48. 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Therefore x is equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. Y value is 12. And they are asking the ratio between x and y. X ratio y is equal to 3 ratio 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Therefore the answer is 1 ratio 4.